What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing this Roblox game called Animal Hospital. Also, I'm here with a special guest.
Hi.
It's my sister.
I sound young, okay, but trust me, I'm not that young.
Yeah.
Also, we have our cat, Cosme. Shout out to Cosme, our cat.
Yeah. Or Cosmo, or whatever.
She's a girl. Can you hear her purr? Wait. Oh, she's not purring.
I can buy this. Wait.
Oh yeah, I was saving money.
I don't want to be this guy.
Yeah, so we're playing Animal Hospital.
Alright, well. Let's get to it.
I'm not gonna say any spoilers in this game, but it's a really fun game. I played this yesterday.
I haven't seen too much about it, so.
Yeah. Yesterday he was playing with me.
Alright, oh dang, it's sensitivity.
But we immediately died.
Alright.
Yeah.
Now, hello, welcome to the Cool Guy Hospital. How can I help you today, Mr. Unicorn? I'm not gonna pronounce that.
That's so hard.
I want to check in as a patient. All right, let me. Boom.
Okay, take a picture.
Take a picture.
Make sure the picture is correct.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's always the
print out their thing.
Always the low quality videos, man.
Yeah.
Hey, here's your dumb name tag. Thanks. I will be in room 1.
You also have to take care of them, and if you give them the wrong thing, they die, instantly.
Oh, dang. I can get a blinky.
Okay, but you have to go. You have to go take care of them first.
Oh yeah. Hey, what you need?
Take DNA. Did I pronounce that? DNA. Yeah.
Alright. Hurry up.
Beep beep. That's what it sounds like.
Stomach ache. You have a little stomach ache.
You have a little stomach ache.
No need to freaking go to the hospital, man. Just tell me you have a stomach ache and you need to eat some plants, man.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Just eat the plants in your backyard or something.
Go to the now you have to go. He's recovering. Now go to the other guy.
Hey. Now.
Hey, boy.
Now, can you speed it up a bit? No, I can't. I'm dealing with someone on the urge of death or something.
He had a stomach
Stupid
ache.
picture.
Sorry, we were dealing with somebody that had a stomach ache and went to the hospital for it.
Yeah, you can't wait. You can't. Oh, someone's sick or something. I can't wait 2 seconds.
Have a nice day, Green Boy. I'm gonna name him Green Boy.
Unicorn.
Unicorn Green Boy.
I got some cameras.
Those cat ears are sharp. I'm gonna pick them up, and then if somebody says, "Can you hurry up?" I'm gonna pick that cat person up and stick their pointy ears into the person's eyeballs.
Alright, analyzed. Dried eyes. Are we literally?
Are you joking?
Are we literally?
You come to the hospital because you have dried eyes.
Yeah, get some eye drops from your cabinet or buy some or something.
Womp womp, bro. Just
Womp.
buy it. You
The
can
doctor?
buy it. Oh, doctor.
Oh man, he looks like a professional guy.
Yeah.
But I'm the coolest guy. I'm the biggest boy.
No, I'm the coolest guy. I'm the biggest boy.
I'm
the biggest girl.
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Okay. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Nice. Hey, have a nice day.
I swear to God, if the doctor is mean to us, I'm gonna fart in his mask and then put his mask into his nose.
Hey, hey,
Shove it up in there.
hey, where you going? I want to come with you. Ooh, I got X.
Animal deaths? Oh, I killed an animal yesterday.
Hey, let me in. Oh, he just phased through the back. Hey, just a minute. All right, what do you want? Sup, I'm Georgie Clouds. I'm here for my appointment. All right, it better not be stupid.
We're still in our pajamas because we don't like. No!
I will be in room 3. All right. Hey, y'all need help? Oh, alrighty.
There's. Oh my gosh, you good?
Are you on something?
You good?
I want to check.
Our sanity is 67%.
You can shut up now. Alright, photo.
Oh,
Okay,
that's normal.
Normal photo.
You also have to like.
I think I need to work on a different patient guy. Okay. I got room 4. Oh shoot, we got some people on the urge of death.
Give him maple syrup.
Maple syrup? Where do we? Oh. Hey. Oh. Okay. Anyway. Hey.
Oh my gosh! Don't look at the ceiling. There's a monster, and if you Vance.
That scared me.
Don't look at the ceiling, and he will leave.
Did it say he's dehydrated?
He needs IV.
Drink some Prime or something.
Prime actually.
Some
Okay.
Kool-Aid.
Okay, so Prime kind of tastes.
Wait, what day is it? Is it the 8th?
Yes, the 8th.
Go get the drink of the day, man. I mean, drink of the week.
Well, we can't because we don't have any more Kool-Aid because you drank all of it.
No, I am.
You drank all the sour ones too. Those were good.
Give me some what's it? Some water or something.
I don't feel like it. I'm too lazy.
Well, okay.
I
don't blame you because I'm lazy too.
So guys, we won't be posting for 2 weeks because we go on vacation.
Yeah, we go on vacation.
On the 16th.
Bandages,
July 16th.
bleeding.
So we won't be posting for 2 weeks. But we promise after we're done with vacation, give us a day or 2 and we'll
I'm getting tired of this job. He's here because he's bleeding.
Oh my.
Bleeding.
There was somebody who came in because they had bruises on them.
Womp, womp.
Okay, so you have to be really careful. If they, once the 6 to 8 places out, oh my god. Shut the door, shut the door.
Hello, sir. Let me just, call the cops.
Yeah,
give me the gun.
You can't get the gun.
Dang it! What? No service. I'm leaving.
Okay, so if there's somebody who needs surgery, you have 45 seconds.
45?
To complete the surgery, okay?
Hey, don't worry. Hello, my name is Amy Hawks.
Emmy Hawks?
Emmy, yeah, that's what I said. I want to check in as a patient, alright? Bada bang, bada boom. Let me check. Seems to be alright. Boom.
Why is there a crack?
Bro, these freaking pranksters, man.
Not funny, bro.
Freaking YouTubers, man.
Bang,
Hold on,
bang,
I
bang.
need to tell him, bro. Hold on. Hey, stop pranking. Bro, How much does that window cost to
Are
get
those
repaired?
people waiting to be checked in because they're just sitting there?
Hey, what's happening in room 5?
Oh, that's just the room that they're going into.
Okay.
Bam,
Alright,
bam.
I'm here. You give me your DNA sample. Sounds like a microwave. Yo, can I get some pizza rolls? I can really go for some freaking pizza rolls. Those are really good. Or rash. Okay, I get it.
Okay, or yeah.
Yeah.
But like, can't you just behind you?
Oh yeah, I knew that.
Can't you just get it like as a store? If you have a rash, you don't really need to go to the hospital.
The doctor's arriving. Oh, jeez.
Go,
just recover.
Go. Run. You have to act professional.
Hello, sir. I'm opening the facilities for you. What are the facilities?
Yeah!
The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Yo, hey, come help me.
Come on, boy!
Help me.
Or I spank ya.
Oh, dang. Okay. I
Anomalies
did good.
Prevented.
Wait, can I just like shine a flashlight in their eyes? That'd be cool.
What is that? That's like pink stuff. What is
I want chocolate.
What
Little
is it?
do these
Wait,
monsters
wait,
know,
wait.
I got chocolate bar.
Wait, okay. He's kind. I promise.
It's a rat? I like this rat.
He's short. I'm joking, but never mind.
What do you want, sir?
How can I help you?
He looks sketchy. Looks like he's gonna eat all my cheese. Cause I like cheese. Okay, register.
Are they like waiting? Cause they're just sitting there.
His name is question mark.
That's a totally normal name.
Meet you in room 5, I guess.
Oh!
Hello, sir.
Hey! I thought you were doing dentist instead.
Get out of my store!
Store.
Yeah, get out of my hospital, same thing.
Oh.
Mad emoji.
You better leave, boy.
Okay. Alright. Little does he know I got chocolate bar.
Oh, wait. There's somebody in the thing.
We're out of
And you
service.
lost a customer. Great job.
We're
Great job. You know, you could lose money for that, I think.
I can.
I'm pretty
Let me
sure.
just take care of this guy. Open the
Oh,
service zone.
if there's one of those, what's it?
Hey, no, service.
Hold on.
Come back, please. Tartar sauce.
Okay, if there's somebody,
Fix.
if there's somebody, I forgot.
Hey. What do you need? I have an appointment. Okay. Take a picture. What's your name? He's not saying his name. Tired of these guys, man. Ren Finn. It's a weird name. Room 8. You could have picked any other room. Hey, I'm coming.
Oh, room 8. I think that's the one where you do the.
Dried eyes, huh? You can wait.
I swear to God, if there's one more person who walks in here with, oh, I have a little bruise or I have dried eyes, you can walk your little butt out of this hospital and go to the store. I swear to God, bro.
Okay, dang. Did he take a dump?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. They take dumps when they walk.
Oh.
Or somebody did a Nickelodeon live event.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
shoot.
Do you want me to do this?
No,
Here, no. Okay.
open.
Look at this part. Ready? Okay. Go. You have no. Wait. Okay.
on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Just lay down there watching
Cosby's
SpongeBob.
just
or
over here
something.
chilling on the couch, bro.
You watch some SpongeBob or something. I'll go over here. Hey, just a second. This game is just so hard, man. Alright,
That scared me. Oh, I'll be right back.
uh,
Right back, guys.
alright, so she's going away finally.
Boy!
Okay. Anyway, is he in the back rooms or something? Alright, you recover, Hey, no, stop, please. Okay, don't leave. I'm sorry, man. Okay, get out of my freaking hospital, man! What? No service? No service? I'm leaving. Yeah, go annoy somewhere else. Go annoy somewhere else. Oh, hi. I'm Molly Vegeta. I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Bye, Mr. Sketchy Rat, dude. Oh, God, man. Kazi, what you doing? Alright, whatever. Here, go. I'll be in room 6. Okay. Hey, who's this guy? Looks like a professional. Top secret? Sir, do you have the Krabby Patty secret formula? Got the YouTuber haircut. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Never mind. Tell me! No, tell me, please. Please, tell me, so I can quit my job. You can save my life right now. And yeah, you decide, oh, I'm gonna let this guy die. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Freaking, my cat meowing. Gotta go get her, hold on. Hey, what you want? I'm back. Hey, I'm here for my appointment. Yeah, what's your name? We have no mobile app, so how do I think I know your name, huh? Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Here. Oh, shoot! What? Oh, I thought I was pointing to the freaking trash can. What's that? What is that? Oh, God! There's no one here. That stinks. That's weird. Oh. Hello? Tap X-ray? Oh, dang. Is this guy a human? We did a whole x-ray scan for dried eyes? I'm gonna crash out, man. I'm not gonna lie. This stupid person. It's like, oh, I need an x-ray scan for freaking dried eyes. Take these, loser. Shoot, we already got some people in the freaking stupid things. Stupid. Oh, shoot, I forgot about you. Alright, you do the thing. Little do you know, I got a chocolate bar. What do you want? Alright, maple syrup. Cough syrup, thermo. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, maple syrup, thermo, and cough syrup. I want some maple syrup right now, man. Cover in. Okay, see what you have. Okay, bruises and a fever. IV drops, medkit, thermo. IV drops, medkit, thermo. IV drops, medkit, thermo. Thermo. IV drops, medkit. Why do you need a whole medkit for bruises, dude? Can I see what's in that top secret case, please? The doctor! Oh, shoot. Again? Every freaking day. Hey, just wait. Okay, alright. Some patients may seem unstable. And make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the taser. Taser! Use it wisely. Wow, use it wisely, man. Oh, yeah. I did excellent. The taser. Oh, boy! You picked the wrong hospital, man! That's what I thought. Get out of here! That's what I thought, man. Got a blinky? No, we got freaking taser, man. Ooh, coffee. Another chocolate bar. Oh, that stinks. Oh. You are a good guy. I know I'm a good guy. My name is Ratthew. My advice. Don't trust anyone here. Is this Hunger Games? Okay. Should I not trust you? You're scaring me, man. Okay, let me use the cameras. Who the heck? Hold on. Alright, let me just here, let me just get some. It's a tartar sauce. You know, just get on out of here. Go. What? No service. I'm leaving, mad emoji. Alright. Gotta get the other guy. Ooh. I need more money, Cost more animal points. Hey. Ooh. Alright. Just checking the other guy. Hey! Now you're one of them too? You're one of the Karens, man? Can you speed up? Just, Alright, boom. Room 5, okay. Alright. Let's see what's wrong with this guy. IV drops, thermo, medkit. Okay. IV drops, thermo, medkit. IV drops, thermo, medkit. You recover. Just hold on, man. Other things to do, you know? Yeah, I know. Like, top secret freaking agent. Can't handle these people, man. Golly, man. Alright. Dehydration, headache, and flu. Okay, IV drops, medicine, cough syrup. IV drops, medicine, cough syrup. IV drops. IV drops. Oh no. Medicine. Oh god, man. This freaking game. IV drops, medicine, and this is a medkit? No. Cough syrup. I like syrup. Cough syrup, medicine, IV drops. You just do your thing. Right. Yeah, just go to a place. Open room 8. Oh, shoot! Okay. I got this. You hold on. Okay. I got this. I got this. Oh god, I can't look up in the ceiling too. Alright. A fire? Just stay there. Hold on, stuff's catching on fire, dude. let you recover. Okay. Let me get this straight. You're ringing the bell while someone is on the edge of death, getting surgery on, and there's a fire happening in room 7. I can tase you right now. Do you want that to happen? I can't stand these people, man. Well, okay. Okay, room 7. Oh, I saw your picture. Don't act freaking. Ugh! I'm done, man. I'm done. Well, that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe. Save me a slice and goodbye.